guys, it's your boy Lige here, and we're going to make another paper airplane. I call this the Goblin because, as you can see here, at the very end there's flaps like this, and they kind of look like goblin ears. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is fold the paper in half. Then unfold and fold this there. Then fold this down. And fold these two flaps down to the middle. But before you do that, you want to make a little extra space because you want to leave a flap down here, and you'll see why later. Okay, and this is where you want to use the flap. So you fold the flap up to the middle, like that. Then flip it over, fold it in half, make the wings, on the other side, then the little flaps, and this part is really fun because this is where you can make goblin ears. So you fold this like this, then fold it up like 2 more times. And then unfold, and then do the same on the other side. And then unfold that. Then you've got your goblin airplane. Okay, so this is actually a stunt plane, and if you go outside, you could throw it really high, really hard, and it would stay in the sky for a pretty good amount of time. So here you are.